Good morning, good afternoon, good day. Yes, I'm drinking a cup of tea in celebration of 360 Brew. 360 Brew actually has got nothing to do with tea. So what is it? 360 Brew is LinkedIn's new AI-driven algorithm. And why is it called 360 Brew? Because what it's doing is taking a 360 view of you, of all of us. So what does that mean? What it means is the algorithm is looking at our profiles, it's looking at our content, it's looking at our comments, it's looking at everything we do on LinkedIn, and then it's brewing it all together to get a picture of who we are. Why is this relevant? It's relevant because if any of those parts of what we're doing aren't in keeping or congruent with the other parts, the algorithm doesn't like it. It wants us to present an all-round, all-facing image of ourselves that is congruent. So that means all the bits of what we do need to meet up, match up, and be the same. So giving the same message. So what does this actually mean in practice? What it means is that we have to make sure that everything we do is driven towards one goal. So if suddenly I decided that I wanted to post a cat video up on my feed, which I have done recently as a sort of experiment, that cat video is going to get very little engagement. And sure enough, it bombed. It disappeared without trace on LinkedIn because that's not the sort of content that's expected from me. If you think about it, this is exactly how we behave in real life. When we meet people, we expect them to behave in a certain way because that's who they are and that's how they present themselves. So if all of a sudden somebody, one of your friends, for example, starts behaving in a way that's uncharacteristic of them, you're going to be shocked. You're going to be confused. And it's the same on LinkedIn. So what I'm saying, folks, is just make sure that everything you do on LinkedIn is all tied up and wrapped up in the same paper, if you like. So you're telling the same story, you're presenting the same picture wherever you go on LinkedIn. If we're doing LinkedIn the right way, this actually shouldn't be hard. But what I want you to do right now, the minute you finish watching this video, because we're nearly at the end, is go to your profile, go to your content on your personal profile, have a look at the comments that you've been putting out on other people's posts, and do they all match up? Are they all congruent? Are they all saying the same message and telling the same story? I'm Sarah Clay, and I hope this short video has been really helpful for you to give you an overview of what 360 Brew is and how you should be behaving on LinkedIn and how you should be treating the platform. Come and find me on LinkedIn, comment on this video, and let me know what you think. I'll catch you later.